Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Kavita. Today we are going to learn how to make veggie burger. Let's see the ingredients and let's see how to make this McDonald's veggie burger at home. So let's start with making veggie patties for veggie burger. So you have seen the ingredients. I have taken 6 or to 7 boiled potatoes. Now I am mashing them and putting them in a bowl. Remember to take 6 to 7 boiled potatoes. Now I am adding veggies. I am taking carrots and onions. You can add capsicum also if you want, and other ingredients, other veggies if you want. So I have taken grated carrot and I have finely chopped onions. So now we have to mash all these ingredients using hands. Properly mix all these ingredients. After mixing, we have to add the spices. I am using red chili powder, salt and chaat masala. You can increase and decrease according to your taste. This is chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can use garam masala also. Now mix all these ingredients properly. Mash it with spoon, or if you can also use your hands. Give it a proper mix. Now I am adding breadcrumbs. Don't add too much breadcrumbs, otherwise your patties will be broken. So I am adding only 1 and 1/4 of the breadcrumbs. So give it a proper mix again. Now I am taking all-purpose flour or maida and water. This is only for coating the veggie patties. So add proper water, not too much thick, not too much thin. So see the consistency of actual batter I will be using. This is the actual consistency. Add little salt and chaat masala in this also, so it will have a little flavor in your coating also. Now take the aloo, the masala we have made, make it in a patty shape. See, now dip it in maida and water we have made just now, and then dip it in the breadcrumbs. After dipping in the breadcrumbs, use your hands and make it a proper shape of a patties. See, this is a perfect patties shape we have given. Now repeat the process of how many patties you want to make with the coating of maida and water, and then again with the breadcrumbs. Many people do it twice, but it is better if you use once only. It will be very crunchy after one coat also. See, our patties are ready, and now take a thick pan and now add oil and fry these veggie patties for 15 to 20 minutes on both sides till you get a light brown color. So see, veggie patties are already done. You can eat as it is also. And now we will see how to make it a veggie burger now. So let's see how to make veggie burger. So I am using this ready-made bun. These buns are having some flavors on it, chilies and some spices also. So I am giving a slit in the middle of the bun. So I am making it into two. After making it into two parts, I will be frying them in a pan by using butter on it. So I have added a little butter and I am roasting them on deep fried tawa on both the sides. So let's see how we do the plating. I am adding the first bun which we have buttered and we have fried, then the patties, and then onions, rings, cucumber, tomatoes, and cover it with a cheese slice on top of it, and cover it with the other side of the bun, and enjoy your veggie patty, McDonald's style veggie patty at your home. You can always use a mayonnaise or sauce of your choice, but I prefer like this. So this is the perfect veggie burger or the basic veggie burger I am showing you. You can always have a substitute of adding more veggies, adding more onions or cabbage on top of it, or you can have sauce, mayonnaise, Thousand Island sauce, chili sauce. It's all up to you, but this is a perfect veggie burger, the spicy also. So enjoy this McDonald's veggie burger at your home. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Journey of Kitchen. You can also give the comments below. Thank you. Namaste.